Hello YouTubers, today I have Cardo Adapter for Shoei Gen free helmets. Compatible with Pro Edge and Neo, and which helmets? Neotec free, GTR free and J Cruise free. Simple packaging. Let's see what's inside. Not much. That's all. Some instructions. How to mount. And this is the adapter. That's everything. That's it. Small piece of plastic. And let's see how you mount it. Just put this cover, then this is Neotec free. Put this cover off and replace it with this. Be careful with these grooves. When you hear a click, it's done. Thank you.